What if I told you there's a lake that actually boils? This is not a legend. It's located on the island of Dominica. At first glance, it might look normal, but something is off. The water isn't still, it's constantly moving. It's boiling, but not because someone is heating it up. Beneath this lake, there's an active volcanic system. Burning gases rise from the ground, superheating the water to nearly 90 degrees Celsius. It's so hot that the steam wraps everything in a ghostly mist. But here's the real problem. The temperature can change in an instant. At times, it becomes even more extreme, and getting too close can be incredibly dangerous. Because this is not just a lake, it's an open window into what's happening deep beneath the Earth. This lake changes color for no apparent reason. Blue, green, red, as if someone were repainting it every single time. And it's not a rare event. It can transform completely over time. It looks like magic, but it's not. This phenomenon actually exists in Indonesia, inside the Kelimutu volcano. And the incredible thing is, it's not just one lake, but three, side by side, each with a different color. The reason lies beneath the surface. Volcanic gases rise from the ground and react with the minerals in the water. These reactions change the way light is reflected and the color you see. And just like that, the lake transforms on its own. A place that feels unreal, but it's just nature changing right before your eyes. In Bolivia, there is a place where you truly feel like you're walking in the sky. It's called Salar de Uyuni, and it's the largest salt desert in the world. For most of the year, it's an immense, almost surreal white expanse. But when the rain arrives, something extraordinary happens. A very thin film of water covers the entire surface of the desert, and suddenly, the ground transforms into a perfect mirror. The sky, the clouds, and the sun are reflected so clearly that the horizon completely disappears. Sometimes, it becomes impossible to tell where the Earth ends and the sky begins. Those who walk upon it seem suspended in mid-air. This phenomenon is possible because Salar de Uyuni is one of the flattest places on the planet. Across kilometers of surface, the difference in height is only a few centimeters. This allows the water to spread perfectly and evenly. It is this tiny layer of water that creates one of the most incredible natural spectacles on Earth. A place where our planet becomes a giant mirror, and where reality blends into the sky. This is not a legend. This is the true story of Numor, the island that defied geography itself. It appeared out of nowhere in 1970 in the Bay of Bengal, just a deserted sandbar, yet it triggered a massive international dispute between India and Bangladesh. For decades, both nations sent ships, soldiers, and patrols to claim ownership of this tiny piece of land. It became a symbol of national pride, but the ocean had other plans. In 2010, the island vanished, completely swallowed by rising sea levels. Today, Numor is nothing but a memory, hidden under meters of water. It stands as a silent warning, a reminder that the power of nature can erase the borders created by man in a heartbeat. In the coldest place on Earth, gold rains from the sky. Beneath the eternal ice of Antarctica, the Earth hides a glowing secret. It's called Mount Erebus, and it's the southernmost active volcano on the planet. But it's not like any other volcano. Every single day, along with gas and lava, this giant spits about 80 grams of pure gold into the air, in the form of crystallized dust. We're talking about a value of over $6,000, vanishing into the wind every 24 hours. Inside its crater, a permanent lava lake boils, one of the very few in the world that burns while outside temperatures drop to minus 60 degrees. Its heat melts the ice, creating steam caves where scientists have found traces of DNA from unknown organisms. A heart of fire in a world of ice, reminding us that life always finds a way to exist, even where it seems impossible. In 1816, the world lived through the year without a summer. A massive eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia blasted millions of tons of ash and gas into the stratosphere. The sun turned pale, the sky remained gray for months, and the planet's average temperature plummeted by more than 2 degrees. It snowed in June across Europe and North America. Crops failed, livestock perished, and millions of people suffered from famine. Many believed it was the end of the world, as the smoke from Tambora darkened entire continents. It was a global climate catastrophe that changed history, economy, and even culture forever. The year, the summer, truly disappeared.